We saw 2 squirrels.
Wait.
This is time of walking across the road. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
That's probably the weirdest crossing I've seen in my life.
Stop!
I think it's a good idea.
Oh, and there's a play park like down there. What?
What? Well, that fountain looks nice.
Like, you want to go?
No.
Let's see, there's room for you to hold the hand.
Go on, go and fill a circle in there, neighbour.
Okay. I don't know if my arms are that long.
Hold the hands in.
I'm holding them. These water spurts. These spurt water. On that one. You can sit on the table. I'm going anti-clockwise, am I?
Oh my gosh, this is the dragon
I go ahead and start, man.
bang my head on the top.
Ready? Stay, front. Yeah! Stop! How do I swing this thing? Rock. Do a boomerang, Yeah, good idea, Daddy. I'm going to sit on it too. Bex, do it faster. Actually, I'm going to do it to you two now. Stop it! Stop! I'm going to do it to you and Daddy now.
I'm all dizzy now.
I'm going to do it to you. Do it to you in bed now, Daddy.
Come on.
Ready?
Smile, Ben.
Woo!
Is this supposed to be fun?
No. Is this fast enough for you?
Nope.
It's a beehive.
all of the day counts have came. There's 3 of them at the moment. One just arrived. One has organised fun and one's just normal.
Look at the squirrel, look at the squirrel. Oh, it's on that tree there. Can they go? They could scream though. Come on then.
Oh, that's cute.
That is very cute.
You had to put them onto the bus.
These are my new brothers. I mean Ben.
What's very cool?
The
They're like-
mobile stage thing that's being put up.
Like putting a stage on. That's
No
cool.
offense to Ben, but I've got 2 new brothers.
Okay.
They're not very cute.
Look, there goes the bottom of it. That is very cool.
Now,
Do you know if I should dance on the
not
track?
really. He wants to play his fingers.
Well, stop wasting it and drink it. I'm going to try something.
No.
Are
Are you glad I spotted them before you stood on it? You all stood on it then.
There's loads of them. But I can't see them. They can't see me. Oh, a lot of fun.
4.
Wait.
8. Jinx, you can't talk now.
Wait.
Haha. We've come to Clearwater after these boats have interrupted us, and we're just hanging out at the Pier 60. We have about 20 minutes before we sign into the Captain Nemo's dolphin cruise.
What is it, Ava?
Nemo.
And what are we hoping to see?
Dolphins.
Dolphins.
Such a thing as seagull.
No, there isn't.
Not over here. There isn't. What is that yellow thing? What's that yellow thing? What do you do with that? Oh, you fall out. These are people diving into the water. Not like
Feel that. No, come and feel the water.
oh yeah!
Oh, it's warm.
Hey Ben, get away from my feet. Tap your feet. I don't think you need to lift your skirt up though.
No, this is where it's going to play then.
Look at that, Eva.
Look at my abs.